Demonstrated to say, Mugabe, we don't want you to vindicate what the army had done. To say we didn't intervene because we wanted power. And now they are withdrawn back to their barracks. You will not be seeing them again in the role which they were doing because the thing has been done and finished. So let's give the army their due. Let's not pillory them. And then let's not use 2 or 3 of their members who are just lucky that in their retirement age, we're all getting gray hair after so many years of service to Zimbabwe. What's wrong with the SB model, or for that matter, Terence Shiri becoming a serving cabinet minister of the government of Zimbabwe with all that experience, just like Kerry did, just like what Ivanov did under Reagan. There are so many generals in America, been so many. Why are we making our issue? The ANC has got all the generals, some of the generals who are in the army, from Umkondo Wesizwe. What's wrong with that? So that's that's the main reason why I call for the one, to say that the Newsday lied. I never said that. And anybody can read, and everybody, all of you were in that conference. I never said that. I actually said the army is professional, they don't get in elections. Their role was in the previous team, which removed the dynasty, the making of Mugabe. That's all I say. So to lie about what I said is not fair. And then to have it repeated by the news. Then they say Muchangwa is part of the militaristic tradition, which is becoming a symptom of the new Zimbabwean political order. That's a very false accusation. It's misplaced. It has no basis, in fact, or for that matter, in fiction. Thank you.